Welcome back to Heal with Grandma. Today, we're talking about one of the simplest, most natural ways to support your weight loss journey in ginger tea. If you've been feeling tired, low on energy, or struggling to burn extra fat, especially around the belly area, then stay with me, because ginger is not just a kitchen ingredient. It's a powerful, ancient remedy that wakes up your metabolism from the inside out. Let's take a deep breath and begin. Ginger has been used for thousands of years in home remedies. But today, science also supports what our grandmothers always knew. Ginger heats the body, boosts digestion, reduces inflammation, and supports healthy fat burning. So, how does ginger help with fat loss? First, ginger increases thermogenesis. That's a fancy word for your body burns more calories even while resting. Just one warm cup in the morning can gently speed up your metabolic rate, helping your body use stored fat as fuel. Second, ginger helps reduce inflammation. When the body is inflamed, especially around the stomach and gut area, losing weight becomes harder. Ginger calms the gut, reduces bloating, and helps you feel lighter. Third, ginger controls appetite. It keeps you full for longer and reduces cravings, especially those sneaky late-night cravings that slow down weight loss. Grandma always said, a warm drink before a meal keeps your belly satisfied and your mind in control. And she was right. Let's make this simple, powerful ginger tea. Take 1 cup of warm water, add thin slices of fresh ginger, or 1 teaspoon of grated ginger. Let it sit for 5 minutes, and let the warmth of this herb release its natural oils and healing compounds. Now add a squeeze of lemon if you like, and just a touch of honey. This small cup is packed with benefits, and it feels like a warm hug for your body. The best time to drink it: morning, on an empty stomach, or 30 minutes before meals. This helps your body burn fat more efficiently throughout the day. But remember, ginger tea is not a magic drink. It works best with simple healthy habits. A short daily walk, smaller portions, more whole foods, less sugar, and plenty of water. Fat loss is a journey, not a race. Be gentle with yourself. Be patient with your body. Every small step counts. And if today you're starting your journey, just know I'm proud of you. And this cup of ginger tea is your first warm step toward a healthier, more energized version of yourself. This is Heal with Grandma, bringing you natural wellness the way our grandmothers taught us. 1 remedy, 1 sip, 1 moment at a time.